Hi, my dear friends. Hope all are doing great. Today, I would be, giving you a small input or a small, what you call, information to you, which is very very useful. I hope some of you would have heard, or some of you would not have heard something called reverse mortgage. See, reverse mortgage is pretty old in other countries. It's come to India quite a few years back, and not everyone know about it, and hardly few people have used the facility of this. There will be various kind of feedback or inputs on uh, this system, but the system is it's useful to some. It is not useful to some. uh, One needs to understand what it is exactly. What is reverse mortgage? Reverse mortgage is given to a person, a senior citizen. The age limit should be 62 plus for the male, and the female age should be 58 plus. So this should be a own property, or it should be, the property should be 50% of the property should be free. Just to explain, it is given to people who is having a freehold property, or or it is given to someone whose property worth is more than double of it, double of their loan what they are already having. See how it works. Let me tell you. See, there certain banks do provide this service. It is that a person who likes to take this reverse mortgage system, uh, he is giving his property as mortgage to the bank. Suppose if a person has got freehold property, and they take this mortgage from a bank, and they say that they are giving this property as a reverse mortgage. What happens in a reverse mortgage? The customer, the buyer, or the person who's taken the this mortgage on in lieu of his property given to the bank gives them a monthly amount, which is pre fixed by by the owner, that he needs this amount of money to run his day-to-day expenditure. In that, what happens? Bank goes on giving you that fixed amount every year, every monthly or yearly or quarterly. It depends on how you want it. That amount is taken for the day-to-day usage or day-to-day expenditure of that person. So that suppose it's for somebody who's retired, who doesn't have any income from any of his sources, or he wants some money every month. Because he owns this property, he can avail this opportunity. Or if he owns a property where the loan is less than half the value of the property, there bank absorbs that loan, and the balance reverse mortgage is given on a monthly basis. So what happens here? Every year a person takes this money and utilizes for his day-to-day expenditure. So who should take this? Why it is useful? It is for people who are alone, who don't have children, or who have children who are not with them, or who are abroad and who don't. There are so many families where children don't take care of their parents. But here, what parents does, they say, okay, boss, I need to run my home. I need to run my expenditure of me and my wife. So what they do, they take this opportunity of reverse mortgage. Here what happens? Monthly revenue they get from the bank. Listen to this, this amount is not taxable. It's a very, very important thing. This amount is not taxable. So that money they utilize for their day-to-day expenditure. In the end, when there are two ways to exit from this mortgage. Either the person who's taken this is able to repay back the amount to the bank, whatever utilized with the interest, repay back to the amount and get his property freehold, or what he can do is, suppose they've got some property at the hometown or wherever, in the near future it can be sold and given back to the bank, can be done. Or sometimes I've seen families who want to give this property as a a will, give this property to their children or their relatives. They can avail this property once these people are no more. Then they have to go to the bank, pay up all the dues, and get this property freehold, and they can inherit only if the gentleman has done this to them. Many a times I have seen people have done this reverse mortgage, and they have kept their property and the proceeds to the property to go to a social service organization or a religious foundation. It is a good way of safeguarding your day-to-day expenditure, utilizing your own property, and a person is not dependent on his relatives or on his children, or need not go to work. It's a very nice way of taking care. People who have got this information can explore this. For any real estate needs, you guys can get in touch with me on my number 9611107558. Take care. Signing off.